Let's explore what would happen if all the ice on Earth melted. 1. Firstly, and most dramatically, sea levels would rise significantly. We're talking about a global increase of somewhere around 65 to 230 feet, depending on how much of the ice melts. This is a massive change, enough to inundate coastal cities worldwide, displacing billions of people and rendering vast areas of land uninhabitable. 2. This rise in sea level wouldn't be uniform. Some areas would experience far greater increases than others due to factors like land subsidence and ocean currents. 3. The increased ocean volume would also alter ocean currents, which play a vital role in regulating global climate. Changes to these currents could lead to unpredictable shifts in weather patterns and potentially even trigger more extreme weather events like hurricanes and floods. 4. The melting of massive ice sheets would contribute to a change in the Earth's albedo, its reflectivity. With less ice reflecting sunlight back into space, more heat would be absorbed by the planet, leading to further warming and accelerating the melting process. This is a classic example of a positive feedback loop. 5. Ecosystems would be profoundly affected. Many coastal habitats like mangroves and coral reefs would be destroyed or severely damaged by rising sea levels. Polar ecosystems, which are already fragile, would be devastated by the complete loss of ice. Species dependent on sea ice for habitat and food would face extinction. 6. Freshwater sources would be impacted, as the melting of glaciers and ice caps contributes significantly to the freshwater supply for many regions. The loss of this fresh water could lead to water scarcity and conflicts over remaining resources. 7. Changes in landmass distribution would affect the Earth's gravitational pull, though this effect would be relatively small compared to the other consequences. 8. Finally, the melting of all the ice would not just be a gradual process. There is potential for sudden and catastrophic events such as the collapse of large ice sheets, which could dramatically increase the rate of sea level rise and exacerbate the other impacts described above. In short, the complete melting of Earth's ice would trigger a cascade of devastating effects, drastically altering the planet's geography, climate, and ecosystems, with profound and irreversible consequences for human civilization and the natural world.